Hello students, now we are going to start the new chapter, that is triangles. Okay, that is the 6th chapter in class 10th. What are the main objectives in this? Okay, what we are going to study from the triangles. Okay, that first one is similar figures. In that similar triangles, because this is related to only completely triangles. And second one is basic proportionality theorem, or sometimes it's called BPT, basic proportionality theorem, or you can say Thales theorem. This is okay. And third one is a converse BPT, opposite to this one, basic proportionality and converse BPT theorem. Then and next concept is triple A, triple S and SAS similarities. Last year we did congruence rules, then again repeated, but similarities using here. And next one is areas of two similar triangles. Two similar triangles. That is theorem we have, but this theorem completely deleted now. We don't have in class 10th. This year, this is the theorem deleted, but related problems we have to do. Yes. And the next Pythagoras theorem, that we know every time we are using, but we have proof in class 10th. What is it? Pythagoras theorem. And next concept is converse Pythagoras theorem, opposite to this one, but this is also deleted. Here two theorems deleted. One is areas of two similar triangles related theorem deleted, and second one is converse Pythagoras theorem also deleted. Now finally, how many theorems we have to study here? Total we have 5, but 2 are deleted. In this 3 we have to study, that is the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, and second one is converse basic proportionality theorem, and next third one is Pythagoras theorem. These 3 theorems we have to do this year. Clear, children? Students, now we'll go for the next concept, that is the concept of similarity. What is the similarity? In earlier classes, in class 9, we have studied about congruent figures. Okay, what is the congruent figures? Congruent figures. In class 9, we have theorems also using congruent rules. Okay, what are the congruent? If a figure having same shape and same size. If the figure is having same shape and same size, how it is possible? Suppose I am selecting one triangle. Okay, this is the equilateral triangle ABC. 4 centimeters here, 4 centimeters here, also 4 centimeters. One more triangle I am selecting. This is also same, but name is different. PQR triangle. Here 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Here two congruent figures, two geometrical figures, not only congruent, two geometrical figures having same shape. Shape is what is here? Both the shapes are triangles only, and size also same. What is this size here? 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Every respect here all are equal. That means here congruent, how to write? Last year we read, that is, this is the congruent symbol. According to that one, here triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. One more time, listen properly. Congruent figures means having same shape and same size. Yes, suppose this is the triangle. Suppose if you go for square, this is the square and one more square. Yes, 4 or 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Here 3, here 3, here 3, and here also 3. If you select A, B, C, D, next P, Q, R, S. According to this rule, same shape and same size. I think these two are congruent. Yes, obviously these two are congruent figures. The definition of congruent is two figures having same shape and size. If congruent figures if same shape and size is there, even area also equal. Here also this area also equal. Clear? Suppose area of this one, how to write here? A square, that is 3 square 9. Here also 9 only. Yes, obviously this area also equal. When congruent figures are both are same size and shape, then it is the area also equal. Clear, children? Now we will go for the similarity concept. What is the similarity? Similarity is nothing but, here suppose just example, congruent figures means shape is same and as well as size also same. But similar figures, in similar figures only shape is same. Shape is same, but size is different. Yes, these both are what is triangles. Yes, what is here? Small triangle, here big triangle. Clear, children? These both are similar. Both are similar because size is different. If both are same, what is called congruent figure? Here the size completely different. One is small and one is a big one. Suppose we have like 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. Here 3, 3, 3. Here different size. Means 2 centimeter triangle equilateral, 3 centimeter equilateral triangle. Here that means here what is here? Similar. Both are similar figures. Then it's not a congruent. If congruent, obviously it is a similar. Clear, children? Here these two figures are what is only similar, not a congruent. This one congruent figures as well as similar figures also. Clear, children? Yeah. Suppose I am going one more thing for similar. The line segment I am selecting AB. It is 3 centimeters line, and next one suppose CD I am selecting here 5 centimeters. AB line segment 3 centimeters and CD line segment 5 centimeters. Both are same? No, different size. Both are line segments only but different in size. According to this rule, this is 3 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. Both are not a congruent. When it is congruent, both are same length, it is a congruent. But both figures are similar figures. Why? Because this one 3 centimeters and this one is 5 centimeters. Similar is what is? Only shape is same, not a same size. This size is 3 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. That's why both are only similar here. Clear, children? That is the similar figure. Suppose one more example I will go. Yes, that is one is circle with radius 3 centimeters and one more circle radius with 3 centimeters. Yes, what is this figures, congruent or similar? Obviously congruent as well as similar. Why? Because we know same shape, circle shape, both are same. Yes, that is similar. Obviously radius is equal to 3 only. R is equal to 3 and here also R is equal to 3. That means these two figures are similar as well as congruent figures. Clear? Congruent means the size must be same. Yes? Yeah. Suppose I am going for one more circle. The radius is 2 centimeters and another one is big circle. The radius is 3 centimeters. Observe, children, both are congruent? No. When it is congruent? When radius is same. But when both are similar? Yes, obviously similar. Why it is? Here radius different, here also radius different. But what is? Shape is same. Only size is different. That's why these two figures what is? Similar. These two figures are similar. Similar. Congruent means you are denoting like this. Okay, and similar means only one symbol, this way. What is this one? This is the similar. Clear? Suppose I am writing triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Yes, obviously similar also. How to write one? That one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here also ABCD is similar to PQRS. Here similar, both two figures are similar. How to write? Suppose this is I am selecting ABC and here DEF. These two figures are similar but not congruent. Right here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is the symbol. What is this one? Similar symbol. Both are similar, not a congruent. Congruent means again this one. Incongruent is nothing but every respect, everything is equal, means that area also equal, even angles also equal. Yeah. Now come to this one. This is the line segment here also. CD is the line segment. Both are congruent? No, but similar. That right, AB line segment bar is similar to CD bar. Clear, children? Now come to this. These two figures are congruent as well as similar. And these two figures, circle is what is? Here similar figures. Both are similar. Here similar as well as congruent also. Clear, children? This is the concept of similarity. Similarity is nothing but what is? Same shape. Same shape. The size is different. But congruent is what is? Same shape as well as what is? Same size. That is the congruence. But main thing what we have to do is similarity. Similarity of a triangles we have to learn from this chapter. Now we will go for just a little important concept in this. Any two line segments are always similar. Just now we discussed any two line segments are always similar, but they need not to be congruent. That we know. If congruent as well as similar, but if similar, they need not to be congruent. Clear, children? They are congruent if the lengths are equal. When they are congruent if the lengths are equal. Just now before we discussed about that. Yes, I will go for this one. Any two line segments are always similar. Always similar. But they need not to be congruent. If they are congruent, if their lengths are equal. If congruent, automatically, obviously, lengths are equal. That is the first one. And second concept, any two circles are similar. That just now we discussed about that. Any two circles are similar, but not necessarily congruent. Yes, any two circles are similar, but not necessarily congruent. They are congruent then if their radii are equal. If both are congruent, if equal, his radius is equal. When they are congruent. Congruent figures obviously similar, but similar figures not known to be congruent. Clear? Next one. Any two squares are similar. Any two squares means the length is different, but any two squares if you take, both are similar. And next one, any two equilateral triangles are similar. Suppose one side is 2 centimeters one triangle and 3 centimeters. Obviously similar. Any two squares are similar and any two equilateral triangles are similar.